Hello, I'm Andrew Urban from my Urban Home team and Keller Williams Realty. Welcome to 7084 Alder Creek Way in Hiddenbrooke. That's the golf course community in Vallejo, California. This 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home is over 3,100 square feet. It has a full bathroom and a bedroom downstairs and has some very nice amenities. Kitchen counter's a nice big island in the kitchen, you'll see in a moment, in a wonderful place at the end of the Hiddenbrooke Valley, which is extremely quiet and just really wonderful and peaceful. Come and have a look through the house with me now. Here we're looking down Alder Creek Way, actually looking west, and we can see right across the street there's this really lovely park. So it makes for a very quiet part of Hiddenbrooke. Now we're looking southeast, and here is our subject property. Let's go inside. As we walk in the front entrance, to the right there is a full bathroom and a potential bedroom or office. We have really nice engineered wood flooring, and here is the living room area. And then we carry on towards, here is a half bathroom and the door into the 2-car garage. Downstairs is also a nice separate dining room. There is a door into the kitchen right there, but also there is the kitchen right here with a nice big island, granite countertops, a gas stove top, all black appliances fit together very well, dishwasher, oven, microwave, and refrigerator, and a pantry in the corner there. And right opposite here we have the family room, gas fireplace, and then nice windows to the outside. Upstairs, as at the top, we have a nice large loft area, and to the right the master bedroom. Really nice large area. And then the master bathroom, walk-in closets, his and her sinks, and a nice big shower. Away from the loft, upstairs is 2 more bedrooms. One right here facing the front of the house, and one right here facing the side of the house. These are nice big rooms. And then here we also have an upstairs inside laundry with a sink. In the back of the property there's plenty of space for a barbecue and some seating, and also around the side of the house, good amount of storage, and it goes back to the front yard.